When germs like bacteria develop the ability to defeat the drugs designed to kill them, they are not killed and continue to grow. It means we lose the ability to treat infections. By 2050, antibiotic resistance could lead to the death of an extra 10 million people a year worldwide. Some strains of bacteria are resistant to all available antibiotics and are considered untreatable. Antibiotic resistance is one of the biggest threats to global health and can affect anyone of any age in any country. It occurs naturally, but misuse of antibiotics in humans and animals can accelerate the process, and a growing number of infections are becoming harder to treat and leads to longer hospital stays, higher medical costs, and increased mortality. To prevent infection and use antibiotics, always follow your health worker's advice when using antibiotics. Never share or use leftover antibiotics. Regularly washing hands. Avoiding close contact with sick people. Practicing safer sex. And keeping vaccinations up to date. Prepare food hygienically. Keep it clean. Separate raw and cooked. Cook thoroughly. Keep food at safe temperatures. Use safe water and raw materials.